आत्मानं सुधर्मः परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतं धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Good morning everyone present over here, respected judges, dear competitors and all the elders and youngers present over here. This is Lagvit Panda from SPD International School standing before you to tell a speech on the given topic, counseling lessons of Krishna and Arjuna from Mahabharata. I think this is an endless topic because how much you will extend about the lessons of Krishna, it will get extended. So, the lessons, I think the powerful lessons in this universe is constituted by the Krishna only, which was told to Arjuna during the battleground of Mahabharata. So, I am going to discuss some of the lessons among all the lessons of Lord Krishna in front of you. So, the main lesson that Krishna told that we should first win the fight that we are fighting in our mind. Like Arjuna was confused in the war that if he will fight among his Guru Dronacharya or his brothers, cousins, his own grandfather Bhishma Pitama, so he was confused at that time that if he will fight. So he was also coming to the way to withdraw that war. But Lord Krishna influenced him, motivated him so that he should fight the war and he should play in face of dharma. Then comes the second lesson that we shouldn't be depressed in our life. If we will be depressed in our life, then we can't get any success in our life. Like Arjuna was getting depressed in that war. He felt tears in his eyes that my own relatives, my own teacher is playing among me in this war. How it can be possible? Then Krishna told that if they are playing against you, then you should play against them. And you should so that yes, dharma can win in place of adharma. And this way, Krishna also tells another lesson that Klaivyam masma gamaha partha, naitatve yupapadyate, krudyam hridaya draubalya, tektotishta parantapa. Then comes the lesson that set high dreams. Lord Krishna told to Arjuna that what noble people take, others follow. What they set up the standard, the world follows. By which it influenced Arjuna and Arjuna got active and played a successive role in the war. By which the Pandava army won in the war and the Dharma also won in that war. So at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that how Arjuna learned lessons from Lord Krishna and did in his life and succeeded in his life and proved himself as the best warrior of the universe. Like this, we should also follow the lessons of Lord Krishna so that we can get success in our life and we can extend in our life. Thank you all and have a nice day.